Hello and welcome to Happy Fishing. You join me, Alan,
I'm Johnny.
at Lynn Fishery in Northamptonshire. We're having a little friendly brother-in-law match today. It's carp fishing. No boilies, pellets and plastic baits only. So let's get on with it, see how we go on. You join me and Johnny today at Lynn Fishery in Northamptonshire. It's quite a nice venue, it's a nice lake, it's mostly carp in here, there's apparently some barbel, but you can't use boilies here, you can't use any bread products here at all. So Johnny's fishing on the bloodworm pellet and I've got robin red pellet in a minute. I've got lunch and meat with us and sweet corn and some other selection of stuff, so we'll try them. Anyway, let's get on with it and see how we get on. Okay, so me and Johnny have just had a chat and we decided the rules for today's contest is it's just going to be who has the most fish. In the event that we end up with the same amount of fish each, whoever has the biggest fish or the single biggest fish will take the win. Johnny's happy with that? Yep.
Yes, mate.
Yeah, and I'm happy with that. So let's get on with it and see how we get on.
Pulled it all the way back to where I wanted it and then walked back down and put my bait straight on top of it. Awesome. And I already had a bit.
Oh. Johnny's in. First fish of the day for Johnny. Slow down, mate, slow down. Oh no. Johnny's not on. Gutted.
Aha. Finish on. I think this may be the first fish of the day.
Alright, bud. There's a better size than the last ones I've had out of here. Our first fish of the day, Lynn Fishery. Cracking fish. It's my biggest one out of here as well I've ever had. Not sure what it weighs, we'll give it away in a minute. But yeah, well happy with that. That was double pellet, 2 red robin. That's nice. Anyway, let's get him rested, then we'll get him weighed. Hey, where you going, pal? There we go. Nice fish, man.
Lovely
Nice
fish.
start.
That was a cracker.
Well happy with that.
Definitely.
Johnny's first fish today. Absolute cracker.
Oh, he's a beauty. Jesus Christ, definitely my best one out of here.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, we'll give him a weigh in a minute and we'll see what he weighs. Nice.
Thank you.
Both had 8-pounders today. Nice. Oh, I get fatty in the water. There he goes.
Oh, hello.
Alright, pal.
Alright, pal. How you doing?
Yeah. Alright, guys, we've been here for a couple of hours now, and it's 1-1. We've both had a fish out each, both around the 8-pound mark. Yeah, Johnny's happy with his one. Anyway, let's get back at it and see how we get on.
Yeah, it usually does, mate.
Sorry, bud.
I think mine's the spray of that chocolate vanilla shit as well, you know that?
Ah, yeah, I didn't. I'll tell you what else I didn't do.
All that to get your bait out so quickly, you forgot all that, and you fucking still caught a fish within 2 minutes. I've done it the same way again, mate. They're all over that area. Fish on.
Is it the same guy again? Cheers, bud. Come here, pal. He don't want to come in yet. He's alright. He just goes all like, yeah, I'm alright. And then as soon as you show him the net, he goes, no. Yeah. Come here, pal. He's seen the net and went, nah. He keeps doing Come here, bud. Let's tell him to come in. Come on. Looks like the same bloody fish. Oh, I'm not complaining, mate. Yeah, it's probably about 4 or 5 pound. He's probably about right. That's fish. Stay. It's not the same fish for sure. That's nice. Second fish of the day. Johnny's had one, dropped a few. Well, he's had a few runs he's missed anyway.
Yeah.
This is my second one today. So yeah,
Lovely colours.
I reckon he's about £5.
Easy, yeah.
I'm not going to bother weighing him though. We'll just get him slipped back in, yeah. Nice,
Yeah,
2-1 to me, Johnny. You got it.
Like the way he's counting now.
He's definitely not the big one we had last time, is he?
100% not, mate. Still lovely looking fish.
Yeah.
absolutely fucking gorgeous.
Days, mate. They just chill the way off, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright, nice one.
That's me had his bait.
Happy days, mate. Your turn now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was as well. I'm glad that camera was on because I didn't even think about it. I just fucking run.
Well, I see you run and I thought, right, I better check that camera.
Yeah.
I looked on that one, there was nothing there. So I looked over there and thought, oh, yes.
Cheers, buddy. That's where I was just about where I was heading. Cheers, fella. Yeah, man. No, 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 no. And just trying to bury constantly. Oh, get out of there. Carrying like 3 ton of water. Come on, buddy.
How is it, babes?
Yeah. Number 3. This one's bigger than the last one. It's not as big as the first one. But yeah, nice.
Still a cracking fish.
Happy days, mate. That's good
Gorgeous
fishing.
colours. I love the colours.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely
Cracking
amazing.
fish, mate. Cracking fish. Well happy with that. Let's get a slip back in.
Definitely,
Happy
buddy.
days, bud. Happy days. This is Johnny's rig. So he's got his method mix.
Nice big bag of cheesy Wotsits on there.
And then he's got his massive cheese Wotsit on the end of there. His PVA bag. It just looks like a huge Wotsit. Alright.
And a bloodworm pellet.
Yeah, and a bloodworm pellet. Get your cheesy Wotsit out there, John. Half a rack fishing for Johnny. Fishing under his rod tip. Oh, Johnny's in for a second. Yeah, you'll have to net it yourself, but I'm going to do the filming. Only a little in anyway, ain't he? Tighten that drag just a touch, I would. Literally just a touch. Oh, they don't like them nets, do they? See you later, pal. Yes, boy. 3-2. He's catching up. Get in there. Yeah, it's sorry. That's nice. Hey, easy now. Yeah, nice. I reckon it's probably £3. Yeah, but you know, that's 3-2 now. I've still got slightly. I'm beating you on the biggest fish by 1 ounce, I think.
A couple of ounces.
Yeah.
At least.
So 3-2.
Let's get the bad boy back in.
Yes, boy. He is away. See you later, pal. I want to get that net over that shite. That's when it's wet, yeah. It's got a long handle, mate. Go down the handle. In it comes. Yeah, roll it over in there. He looks a bit chunky again. A nice little fish. Johnny's third. That's 3-3 now. And he's got the biggest weight. 8.6. My biggest one's 8.4. Let's get it put back in. So Johnny's winning at the minute. 3-3 and the biggest fish. Must enjoy it now though. When we come back here on a float rods, he's fucked. He doesn't know how to do float fishing. Under the deck.
They all up the deck.
And Johnny's got the match winner. Where the phone's out of memory, so I'm recording again, bud, so you're going to have to do all. That's probably the biggest one of the day as well, I think.
Another lovely little one.
What number?
That's number 4 now.
Yeah, Johnny's
Yes,
the lead,
mate.
the bastard.
Look at how lovely he is.
Yeah.
Right little feisty bugger. For a little 7-pounder. Lovely fishy.
Yeah, that's nice. Let's get him back
Thank
in
you,
the water.
baby.
He's facing the wrong way, look. See you later, bud.
Thank you.
Johnny's winning fish at the minute. Okay guys, time for an update. Johnny's winning. It's 4-3 to Johnny now, and he's got the biggest fish. Where is he? That's put a bit of a smile on his face. So now I need either 2 or I need one that's big. What was it? 8.6 yours was? 8.4 is my best. He's had an 8.3 and a 7 on as well, so not rating my chances right now. Anyway, 2 fish is what's needed, so we need to get back at it. I need to get that method feeder filled back up, get some bait over the top and get them fingers crossed. Speak to you in a bit. So what I've done, guys, is I've changed where I'm fishing. I've done a Johnny. I'm fishing just down there underneath all that crap. From there. Well, it's looking like Johnny's won it today. We've got probably half an hour left here now. We've got to pack up and stuff as well. And he's still 4-3 up. Look at that. That's where my bait is, just under there. They've been doing this to me all day. You have no idea how frustrating it is when Johnny boy's beating me and I can see the fish swimming around my bait and they're just not touching it. And I've tried everything I can think of that I've got with me. I have to start thinking about some new plans and come back at it another day. Obviously, if you've got any ideas that you think might help me get a win over Johnny next time, stick them down in the comments. I'll definitely be interested in hearing them. Just remember there's no boilies at this venue. No bread products. Anything else is good though. Okay guys, that's us done for today. It's a win for Johnny. He's happy about that. It's a bit chilly just now, bless him. He turned up in shorts today. It was beautiful earlier. Not so nice now.
Not so much.
Or was it 4-3 in the end? So nice. It beat me last time we were here as well. That was 3-2. I'm gonna have to pull my socks up so I can get them next time. Anyway, so my next video I'm going to be out with James. So I'm going to be doing a one-on-one with him. We're going to be going to Manville. So we'll have to see how that one goes. But for this one, I think we're done today, aren't we? We're going to start packing up and wait for the lift to turn up so we can get out with it. So until next time, take care.